I think I'll make it to my house before my brother. Going down this hill, taking a left up there at the four-way stop, and it's going to be an onboard ride. So, enjoy. Third gear. Gotta pedal a lot. See you, bro. See you in like 10 minutes. Jeez. This takes a lot of power to get down this hill. Oh, man. Losing power. Third gear is not the right gear. Brother's still up there. And now I'm gonna go down. Got a free head start. What more can you ask for? I'd actually never gone down before in my life, so glad I got it on video. Been down it in a car. No, I wasn't driving, but it's the first time I've been down it on a bike, and my brother isn't even here yet. Probably still at the first cul-de-sac. All this in under a minute. Sweet.